I want to talk about mulch. Mulch can help you solve a number of problems in your garden. Mulch refers to anything used to cover the soil to keep down weeds, enrich or insulate the soil, or control against overwatering. Mulch can be bark, leaves, wood chips, or a variety of organic matter, or it can refer to landscape fabric, black plastic, or any other kind of soil covering. One of the main purposes of mulch is to keep weeds down. The ground is covered or smothered, and so weeds fail to grow due to lack of light and oxygen. Growers will often lay landscape fabric and burn holes in it, which they then plant their plants into, so that the only thing allowed to grow is their chosen crop. This can be a useful method on a small scale for the home gardener as well. You can lay landscape fabric or plastic, put holes in it, and then plant your plants in the holes in the spacing that you need. This will eliminate weeds and overcrowding. So, home gardeners will also use black plastic as mulch to attract heat for plants like melons and tomatoes that thrive in hot environments. Plastic or landscape fabric is essential for certain crops in climates that get a lot of rainfall. Tomatoes, for example, are best deep watered every 10 to 14 days. If they're watered really frequently or irregularly, they can become watery and crack, or they can get what's called blossom end rot. Um, this irregular watering will affect their flavor and viability. So, if you live in a place that gets frequent rainfall, using a mulch with some kind of irrigation underneath or alongside it will allow you to control how much water your crops get and ensure that they are properly watered. If you're using mulches made of organic matter, such as grass clippings or hay, you want to be cautious that the material you're using is free of weed seeds, which will germinate and give you a bigger problem than you had before. So watch out for that. You can use a compost mulch in the spring or fall made of decaying matter to feed your trees and bushes. So roses especially will respond well to being cleaned out at the end of winter and given a new layer of compost type mulch at their base, which will carry nutrients down to the roots below and feed the rose throughout the coming season. So, not all gardeners need mulch, but if you battle a lot of weeds, if you have a large vegetable garden, or if you get a lot of natural rainfall or deal with overcrowding, then mulch can be a really great tool that you can use.